that is not bad at all. I'm not saying eat the whole pizza, even though I did eat the whole pizza yesterday. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing some healthy food swaps, some absolutely things or items that you must have in your kitchen to start your fitness journey, or even if you already are on your fitness journey, trust me, you want these things in your kitchen. They're simple, they're affordable, so let's just get into it so you could see how amazing these products are. Okay, the first thing that I want to talk about is the Extreme Wellness High Fiber Carb Lean tortillas. They are delicious. They're very good. They're only 50 calories and they're a pretty decent size. So they're not tiny tortillas. They're not the big burrito tortillas, but I do use these tortillas for tacos and burritos. So they come with 50 calories, 15 carbs, and 5 big ol' grams of protein. That's why I like these tortillas. They bring a decent amount of protein. And if you're trying to watch your calorie intake, these are the tortillas to have in your kitchen right now. The next thing that I want to talk about is the PB Fit peanut butter. I'm pretty sure that you might have already heard about this, but it's something that I had to have in this video because I use all the time. Most of the time I am watching my calories, then this PB Fit is a great way to have shakes, all that good stuff. You can even just make it like a little dip to dip your carrots or your apple or whatever if you don't want to have the actual peanut butter. This one is 70 calories for 2 tablespoons and it brings 5 carbs and 8 grams of protein. So this one is outweighing the carbs, has more protein than carbs. So this is something you definitely want to be adding to your protein shakes, especially if you like that peanut butter flavor. Obviously, if you don't like peanut butter, you won't be choosing this, but this is a really good item to have just handy instead of peanut butter. Now, if you like peanut butter, girl, eat that peanut butter. That's all I'm gonna say. But if you're trying to watch your calories and you feel like this will do, then go for this one. Okay, while we're on the topic of drinks, these little babies are something that I don't think I've ever mentioned it in a video before, but it's something that I do have pretty much every day on a daily basis. These are energy drinks. They're called Zip Fizz. So I had to look at the name because I always like say it backwards. My husband always makes fun of me for it, but they're actually called Zip Fizz. These little tubes are 20 calories, so they're not 0 calories, and they're natural. So they're natural energy. Instead of, grabbing a Red Bull or a Monster, these are the ones that I go for. They have different flavors. The flavors that I have right now are orange, fruit punch, and grape. But they do have other flavors. You could find these at GMC. I get them at Sam's Club because at Sam's Club they sell 20 of these little tubes for $20. So it comes out to $1. I think at the GMC store you're finding them for $1.50 or $2. But if you don't have a Sam's card, then go ahead and just, try to look them up on their website, or you could, like I said, you could find them probably at GMC. So we've talked about some drinks and some tortillas. Let's go ahead and something that you have to have for your breakfast. These are my absolute favorite. They're Cashy Go protein waffles. This is the vanilla buttermilk flavor. These come with 4 servings and 2 waffles equal 230 calories. So they have 21 grams of carb and 13 grams of protein. So I like to make 2 of these, eggs and probably an avocado for breakfast. I've looked at the stores and I haven't found any protein waffles that, one, tastes good, because that's a must, that tastes good. Secondly, that have this much protein. And I know that there are other ones out there that have that amount of protein, but it's just something like the carbs and the protein just don't match or something like that. But for this one, 21 carbs, 13 grams of protein. I am more than happy with that ratio for the carbs and protein, and 230 calories for 2 waffles is not bad at all. So now that we've gotten breakfast out of the way, let's go ahead into some dinner items that you definitely want to have in your kitchen. The first one, I've already ate it, so it's just an empty box right here. It's just an empty box. But this one is the barbecue recipe chicken crispy thin crust pizza. It's barbecue seasoned grilled, white meat chicken, red onions, cilantro, mozzarella, smoked Gouda cheeses all over, tangy barbecue sauce. This one is not that big of a pizza. Per serving is 1/3 of the pizza, 290 calories. What you could do is have the 1/3 of the pizza and go ahead and have some vegetables or something on the side so that it'll fill you up. Now the entire container, the entire pizza is 880 calories. That is not bad at all. I'm not saying eat the whole pizza, even though I did eat the whole pizza yesterday. But what I'm saying is that 880 calories is not bad for an entire pizza. That is why this is one of the things that I really wanted to have in this video, to show you guys like, hey, you know, you can still have pizza. This pizza tastes delicious. And I cooked it in the air fryer. Now the first go around I did burn it because I didn't realize that the air fryer cooks a lot faster than the oven. But the second go around I didn't have burnt pizza. So half of the pizza I burnt, the other half it was good. But you know what? We move on, and you know, I'm grateful that I even have food on my table. We're still talking about dinner. Hang on here with me, girl. We're still talking about dinner. I think that I have mentioned these two items that I'm about to pull up before, but that's how important they are. I had to mention them in this video. This is something you gotta have. It's the ground chicken. This is the lean ground chicken. I literally always buy this. This is my go-to. Every time I go to the grocery stores, I have to have my ground chicken. And I always make sure that it's the lean one. This one only has 8% fat, so the leaner the meat, doesn't have that much grease, and it's something that you really want to incorporate, especially when you're going through, you know, you're trying to lose weight or you're trying to tone up. That's the stuff that we want to go to. We want to limit our fat when it comes to this. Now you still want to have fat like avocado, olive oil, you know, but you're going to cook this with olive oil anyway, so you're still getting that fat. You don't need that extra unnecessary fat. So I'd always say go for the lean one. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to leave you guys with is turkey breast fillets that are 99% free. This is another one that I always add to my cart. It's like I don't even think about it. I'm just like, boom, ground chicken, boom, turkey fillets. It's just something that I always have. I grill these. They taste very delicious. They're 99% fat free. So this is your baby right here. This is what you should always be adding to your cart if you like turkey, of course. But if you don't like turkey, you know, you have ground chicken options. There's also lean meat. I know Trader Joe's has like my favorite non-real beef little container. Trader Joe's is my baby. Like Trader Joe's is my people, but Trader Joe's is an hour away from me, so I don't really make that trip quite often. All right, guys, those were all the items for today. I really hope that you guys learned something. I hope that you guys try these out. If you try them out, or if you've tried them out, or if there's something you can't wait to try out, leave me a comment down below. I'm more than happy to hear from you guys. As always, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all the support. You know, we're at 237 followers now, so I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. And you know, if you learned something from this video, make sure that you subscribe, join my YouTube familia, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Hi there, welcome back. This pizza